I make this pizza and I put lots and lots of phyllo. I love the buttery crunch of the phyllo. So I just put a bit of cheese and tomatoes and then basil and then that's it. And then I go. Food for me is everything, you know? I've been working with World Central Kitchen and in the Colombia and Venezuelan border and in a lot of humanitarian crises. And when people are hungry, I mean, that's the base of life. Food is the base of life. I'm looking at food in a very primitive way lately. Before, I thought it was more about being sophisticated and all these things, and now I realize that food is life.